this one won't.
This one looks better because it shows you paid everything on time, paid in full, and everything's on a set schedule, so it's automatically paid.
What is that face? What is that? Is that like Sweet Angel Baby sleeping? I've never seen a sweet baby angel sleep like that. Sleep crawl? Are you sleep crawling?
Well, see, the other thing too is he filed bankruptcy before I met him a year or two.
Now the sweet baby angel's sleeping in here.
He's just now getting
Now the sweet baby angel is sleeping here?
They don't want to tell him like we're over $300,000 in debt. Loans and everything.
What is this over on this chair? Whoa! It's not a sweet baby angel anymore. It's a, hey.
There was a couple that
Okay, stop.